Yummy guys. Guys, today I'm gonna make or cook Jolly Corn Bites. It's like an appetizer, okay? So, these are all the ingredients. We need the 1 can whole kernel, Jolly whole kernel, okay? And then we have parsley, garlic, cheese powder, and then butter. Sir? And then we're gonna add the garlic. Brown on guys. Light brown lang. It's almost light brown. Good. Now it's already a light brown. So now, just a little bit more. It's already light brown, so we're gonna add the corn. Now, we're gonna add the cheese powder, okay? And now, this is it. So, we're gonna transfer to a bowl, or you can put also in a small bowl. Okay, with that one. Okay, we can transfer there. And then parsley. And then we're gonna okay, with so much cheese. And now, look at that one guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste it with the cheese. It's yummy. And then a tablespoon of garlic, and then a tablespoon of parsley. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, DBroJa, to my Instagram, _bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.